Guys, it's Brian. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing, oopsies. I almost forgot to, do this. We're continuing Shinedown Sound of Madness with the Crow and the Butterfly. Now, this is probably one of their biggest hits as far as, like, ballads. If you don't know this one, I'm trying to be understanding, but if you didn't know this one, in my bonus mom's eyes, it's pretty much criminal. So with all that said, alright, going to Shinedown as always. Let me go back to bringing this back up. Couldn't find many lyrics videos for this one. I don't know why. But this one is my... computer, stop doing that, please. Mr. Danny Productions. So, thank you. Hope you don't mind me using your video. Oh, would you? Oh, for Pete's sake. How about now? Okay, can you see me? Still going, I hope? Okay, we're still going. Good. Okay. Sorry, I'm still getting used to doing this. Alright, here we go. Right now. I painted your room at midnight, so I know yesterday was over. Put all your books on the top shelf, even the one with the four-leaf clover. Oh man, I'm getting older. I took all your pictures off the wall and wrapped them in newspaper blankets. I haven't slept in what seems like a century. Oh, I can barely breathe. Just like a crow chasing the butterfly, dandelions lost in the summer sky. When you and I were getting high as outer space, never thought you'd slip away. Guess I was just a little too late. To serenade me, your lullabies won't let me sleep. I never heard such a haunting melody. Oh, it's killing me. No, I can barely breathe. Just like a cloud chasing butterfly, dandelions lost in the summer sky. When you and I were getting high as outer space, never thought you'd slip away. Guess I was just a little too late. Chasing the butterfly, dandelions lost in the summer sky. When you and I were getting high as outer space, never thought you'd slip away. Like a crow chasing the butterfly, dandelions lost in the summer sky. You and I were getting high as outer space, never thought you'd slip away. I guess I was just a little too late. Just a little too late. Sorry, just checking it out real quick. Alright, here we go. There you have it, The Crow and the Butterfly by Shinedown. Hope you guys enjoyed. My dad probably didn't. He's such a hater. He's such a hater potato. Oh well, I still love him anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all on the next recording session. Peace.